Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is the day after Valentine's. Today is the 15th of February, Sunday, 15th of February 2026. We are at Bayview Villa. I'm just gonna show you what the room is looking like. This is the room so far. This is what it's looking like. Show you what in the bathroom look like. This is what the bathroom is giving. It's not such a new fashion, but it's okay to me. So I'm gonna go out to the pool side and show you guys what the place is looking like. This is the outside balcony. This is the outside balcony. This is Bayview Villa. Guys, don't mind my face. My makeup. I sleep on my makeup and it's coming off, so yeah. So I'm outside. This is what the place is giving. Room 7. Aki house. This is the Aki house. Really nice. It's a really nice place. It's a really nice place, guys. I live in Portland, but this is my first time being here. These are the apartments.
This is bamboo house. Show them bamboo house.
This one is a bamboo house. So this is the dining area. This is where we have dinner last night. This is a beautiful Bayview Villa. I see all that view down there. Look at all that view, guys. Wonderful. Show them the view. So this is Bayview Villa, Portland, Port Antonio. So if you come to Jamaica and looking for somewhere to stay, you can look it up online, Bayview Villa. All that beautiful lush. Look at all that view, guys. I think this is where you take a shower. Ooh. This is where you take a shower. Water gone. Ooh. Well sanitized. Yeah.
Yeah, man. And you understand what the pub color they show you when call
So
color.
if you're
I make it
looking for somewhere to stay, this is the right place.
I'm not thinking of nothing. You turn out time. Yeah, we'll turn, yeah. I mean, I think I'm nothing different.
So beautiful. All that
Yeah, I
green.
same thing, man. But you must say from hand.
This is where we were staying. It's a really nice place, guys. So if you come to Jamaica and you want somewhere to stay, just look up Bayview Villa online and you can book. It's very reasonable too. It's a very nice place. I enjoyed my stay.
That's lovely. Perfect.
I really enjoy my stay, guys, and I will definitely come back at this place to stay because it's a very peaceful
Voilà.
environment.
You.
As you can see,
No,
as
this
you
is a
can
car. I
hear,
say something more than understand about valve and pump. Something new to it, pump.
very peaceful and safe environment. Security guard
They did explain to the security customer.
patrol
They understand. They want to go to nothing wrong.
the place, so it's very
Tell
safe,
her and tell her. Now let me tell you.
environment friendly.
Oh, she's called her.
Tad meso.
Tell her.
Mesoy.
Oh.
Oh,
Family. Easy. Everything up.
Yeah, we are trying.
Where do you do stay? The person will get the key. So where do you have a sketch out?
No, more talk to Mr. Thornton.
You is here?
I don't know, but he,
I'm drawing plan and tell me. Drawing plan of them, even know that. Spending money. Man, that money like. So more you work him back.